Now you're able to see
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
पता है कैमरा कैसे किया उसको Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning,
Hello.
Good
sir.
morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I will start. I will teach you the chapter active and passive voice, chapter number 15 once again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello. All the students, please keep your video on and listen. I think all of you are familiar with active and passive voice. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The structure of active voice is that simple subject plus helping verb plus object. And when we convert that active into passive voice, the object comes first. Okay. In Hindi we can say active voice उस voice को कहा जाता है जिसमें पता चलता है कि कौन काम कर रहा है, who is doing the work, who is the subject. Okay. But in passive voice we don't know who is the subject there. So there are some basics rules to convert active voice into passive voice. I am saying it, I have written in the board, you can note it down, and now I will explain it one by one. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rule number one. Generally, whatever the sentences we speak, read, or write, it's follow one structure, and that structure is subject plus verb plus object. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So like that, active have also a structure that is subject plus helping verb plus object. Then when we convert this into passive voice, the structure of the sentence is changed. And what is the structure? First there will be the object. Then there will be auxiliary verb according to the tense. Then there will be verb 3. Means whatever the tense it is, always you have to write V3. Okay, and then there will be a subject. So this is the structure of passive voice: object plus helping verb, or we can say auxiliary verb plus V3 plus subject. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now rule number 2. In passive voice we use always V3. Remember this. We will not change the form of the verb in passive voice according to that tense. There always we will use what? V3, whether it is in present tense, whether it is in future tense, whether it is in past tense, whatever the tense it is, we will not change the verb form. It will be always what?
V3.
V3. Good.
V3.
Now rule number 3. In passive voice, in passive voice, did, do, does is not used. Okay. When you are converting the active voice into passive voice, we will not use do, does, did in the passive voice form. It is a mistake. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now rule number 4. If we are using has, have, had in passive voice, then with this we should use been, B-double-E and been. When there we use has, have, had in passive voice, then been is also used with it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now rule number 5. If in active voice be, being, or been is already used in it, then it will not convert into passive voice. अगर एक्टिव वॉइस में बी, बीइंग, बीन का इस्तेमाल हो चुका है, तो उसका पैसिव वॉइस नहीं होगा. इट विल नॉट चेंज इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. Okay, if any sentence is there and if it be, being, been, all these are used, if anyone is used, then it will not change into passive voice. Okay, then if we use is, am, are in passive voice, then being, being is used. Okay, and the last rule, if active voice start with who, then its passive form will be, first we will write by whom, auxiliary verb and V3. By whom object plus auxiliary verb plus V3, then at last subject. Now, if anybody has any doubts in this rule, can ask. Any doubts, students?
No, sir.
No doubts. Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
None of you have any doubts?
Sir, what you have written there active in the below active?
Which number? Say the number.
No, sir. There we have written the active voice rule. Then at the top where you have written voice, then at down active. Then what is written in the active के नीचे?
Subject plus auxiliary verb plus object.
Okay, sir.
That only now you are saying.
Yes, sir.
S plus AV plus V plus OB. Simple. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus object.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anyone? Any doubt? Yes. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask. All of you have written this? Okay,
Yes, sir.
after the class, it will be available in the teachment tab. It is recorded. So anytime you can go and watch it. Okay. So this thing is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
If you have no doubt, then I will ask some question. I will call the name. Vristi Kumari. Vristi Kumari. Vristi Kumari. Left. Very good. From next class, I am going to remove her from the class. She has left. Om Kumar. Om Kumar. Are you there, Om Kumar? Om Kumar. I am going to remove you from this app. You are not answering. Man Kumar. Man Kumar.
Yes, sir.
I have question for you. Just answer it. It will be converted into passive voice or not. Okay. Please keep your video on. Are you ready? Man.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He has been writing since morning. Converted into passive voice.
What's your question?
He has been writing since morning.
He has been writing.
He has been writing since morning. Convert it into passive voice. It will convert into passive voice or not? Only say yes or no.
No, sir.
Okay, you said no. Afterwards, I will come to you why no. Shruti Priya. He has been writing since morning. It will be convert into passive voice or not?
I think yes, sir.
Shruti Priya,
Yes, sir.
it will change. Okay, you said yes.
Yes, sir.
Jennifer,
Yes, sir.
it will convert or not into passive voice. He has been writing since morning. Jennifer,
No, sir.
you said no. Shiv Krishnam, are you there, Shiv Krishnam?
Yes, sir.
He has been writing since morning. It will change into passive voice or not?
Yes, sir. It will change.
Yes, it will change. Okay. Only Man Kumar and Jennifer had said the correct. It will not change. While describing the rules, I told that if in active voice be, being and being is used, then it will not convert into passive voice. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shivam Modi now.
Yes, sir.
He was writing a letter. It will convert into passive voice or not? Shivam Modi,
Sir, it will change.
it will change. Samir Kisku,
Yes.
it will change or not? He was writing a letter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, it will change. Good. So I think you have no doubts till here. No?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the next class, I will teach you how to change means active into passive. I will give you the structures of the sentences, how to change it. Okay. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask, or no doubts, then you can leave the class and afterwards go in the Teachment app and you can watch my video. You will understand, or you can write it also. Okay. Now you can leave the meeting. Those who have not attended, I am going to send it into WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay.